Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So for today's video, we are going to be taking a look at some Pixie haircuts. If you have been thinking of cutting your hair, or if you already have a Pixie haircut and you are looking for some styling options, this video is definitely for you. So here we see an all black Pixie haircut. This is definitely more of the classic style Pixie. And then we see a hair color transformation. So she's going to be dyeing her Pixie haircut. So she starts off with like a peachy ginger color. And she ended up dyeing her Pixie this beautiful blonde. Next up, we have another classic Pixie haircut. This one is accented by her butterfly tattoo on her neck. And then we see another hair color transformation. So she's going to be adding in some pink to her Pixie haircut. Beautiful, loving the soft yet bold hair coloring. And then we see how to style a super short Pixie. So for this particular look, she's basically going to be slicking the Pixie down. And then we see more of that choppy Pixie style and some of the ways that she can wear her particular haircut. And then we see someone who does have more of that feathered Pixie. She has beautiful baby bangs in the front, really showcasing like a messy chic look. And then we have someone with a blonde and pink Pixie cut, and she's doing more of that mohawk spiky look. Now she definitely has a lot of hair at the top portion of her head. And then we move on to some more Pixie hairstyling. And if you guys are feeling inspired by any of these Pixie hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have more styling of a Pixie. So she is using the smaller flat iron in order to create some curls and texture. I will link in the product section of today's video a small flat iron, and she's adding in a headband to accessorize. Next up, we have someone else with a very short Pixie, and she's going to show us how she does her styling. And then we have someone getting a trim at the salon of their particular Pixie haircut. So the stylist did add an undercut for this particular look and beautiful choppy spiky layers. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.